Yeah. I wasn't gonna go outside. Might as well do it here. Anyway, something just happened here. I had somebody coming here, and yeah, he's a smart guy. Won't mention no names. You know, everything is in detail and so smart. Websites, mechanically knowledgeable. Use the fancy words. Always good, you know. Very smart. But after being smart, the guy is a goddamn idiot. Why is he an idiot? Because he smokes. Every time I'm on the phone, I hear him. Yeah. So, every time I'm on the phone, I almost said, quit, excuse my language, it's a blog, quit fucking smoking. So, he came here, you know, looking through this. All these amendments that they want me to go to court next Tuesday. We're just going through it. So, you know, you make him feel at home. You know, I got the ashtray. I'm not that much of a reform smoker. The cigarette. Was it Peter Jackson? Fuck. Anyway, so next thing you know, he was just sitting there. And of course, gotta be nice to my guests sometime. So I turn around. What is this? Cooking show? It's a blog. You want to watch the video, watch it. You don't want to watch it, who gives a damn? Anyway, I got this from Imran Cook. Won't mention no names. Got a lot of stuff. My God. Look, right quick there. Look at all that. Oh, hey. That's good. See? Even moose steak. See? Everything. Even got la molasse. Yeah, from Imran Cook. So, going back to my little story. So I had this bread, lemon bread, I think it is. Anyway, so next thing you know, I give him, my buddy, a piece. So next thing you know, we're talking, and next thing you know, in the corner, I look at him, he was just let up a cigarette. I said, choke, you fucking idiot, choke! Almost on one knee. And then I said, choke! Fuck, I'll call the ambulance and I'll say, the idiot is a smoker! Choke! He was... So, the bottom line, he was choking already, we're choking on this. It was stuck right in his throat. I said, oh my God, this is the real stuff. So anyway, I went and gave him some water. I gave him another glass of water. So after 5 minutes, so the bottom line of this non-educational video is, I don't know if I say it right, but perception is not what is meant to be. So if somebody is choking, maybe it's not because of cigarette, maybe it's because it's the real thing.